How to install. Surface mounting solution C049. When the outer wall frame restricts the drilling. Before starting, check cavity dimensions and locate studs. Compatible stud distance, 12 inches to 16 inches. If the distance between studs is wider, add additional stud. Check that the drywall is cut cleanly and close to the stud edge. If not, trim the drywall. Locate the desired position of the trim panel, then draw a level line at its top edge. Then, draw level horizontal reference lines on both sides of the opening, 6 inches below the top line. Align the tabs of the bracket, not the top, with the marked line. Then, fasten the bracket to the stud using self-tapping screws. Pre-drilling may be required. Repeat with the second bracket on the other side. Align the slotted openings of the trim panel with the mounting holes of the brackets and secure using machine screws. Align the dispenser's back housing holes with the 4 corresponding holes on the mounting plate, then secure it using machine screws.